Chocolatey is a package manager for Windows. It's a very nice tool that you can use to install any application you want with just command line like this. As you can see, you just select and you just type whatever you want, like search for application, and then you can see the results. Then you can click on, if you want to install it, just click on here, and that's it. So you can see that if you want to install it, all you have to do is to open your command line with PowerShell, and then take this line and paste it into your browser. This actually is launching PowerShell and grabbing a file from this URL, which is the installed PS1, and it's automatically installing this file. So that's all what you need to do, and you have it. You have the application ready, so you can go for the for installing any application you want. In this video, we will go through installing MiniKube using Chocolatey. So in this screen, you see that we just take this command, this line, few seconds, you'll get the NS package manager installation ready for you. Then with this command choco install minikube, you can uh, instruct choco to download all the data needed for minikube and then start the installation for you. Data download and collection will be happening, and you have minikube installed in your machine. The next step is to start minikube. Here you have to specify the VM driver like Hyper-V, or if you leave it, it will use other virtualization technology. So here it's starting the download process for the MiniKube ISO, which will be mounted to the Hyper-V VM. Then it will a MiniKube machine will be started, so you can start playing with Kubernetes. It takes just the download time and few more minutes for creating the VM and starting the VM from that ISO. Then everything will be ready. I have skipped some frames here as there was a few lag in downloading some of the of the files. So as you can see, it goes straightforward. There's some commands are being happening at the background. As you can see, here is the minikube IP address. You can record it in this demo. We will not include anything related to the minikube IP address. We'll use a kubectl proxy command to reroute all the traffic through the current kubectl client machine, and that's it. Few more minutes and everything will be ready. You can see here that there is downloading for kubeadm, which is the main file for Kubernetes, and it downloads also kubelet, which is the one responsible for executing Kubernetes commands, like scheduling a pod, for example. Yeah, so it's kubectl get nodes. For example, here we just getting the nodes. You can see that minikube is there as a machine, and its role is master, and it's also working as a worker. And then here we can take this line from the exercise, and then we just click it. Then this will go and create a deployment with the name of Kubernetes Bootcamp. If we want to get the deployment details and status, let's see here. It says like we have a desired one pod. Currently there is one pod there, and it's up to date. If we get the pod, we'll see the pod is 0/1. It means not yet ready. And the status is creating container creating. If we want to get details to see what's actually happening, we can see that the pod has been scheduled and assigned to the MiniKube machine, and now the container image being pulled. We will wait few seconds so the image will be downloaded. You can see here, yes, now it's a starting container, and the see it's ready. If we go up there on the previous command, while the ready was false, so just in few seconds the container is ready and the deployment is containing that specific pod. So what we can do now, we can redirect the uh, traffic to our machine. This was trying to get the minikube details. You can see here the status, which pods are being loaded in this node, and you can see here the internal IP address. This is the minikube details, minikube node details. We will not use it now, but just this is another command where you can get node details. Here there is a kubectl proxy, which we redirect traffic on the local host machine. Now if we open browser and we access this port, we can see that the container is or let's say this actually is our Kubernetes. So Kubernetes is working on that port. That's it for now. Thank you.